Hey, hey, y'all, welcome back to our channel. Today is, what is today? Tuesday. We are up. Devin, what you spilling, baby? I'm gonna have to get that up. Hold on, yeah. Okay, yeah, anyway, DJ's in his room cleaning. Yeah, take those off so Mommy can wash those. DJ's in his room cleaning. What? It says Lala 2. Yeah, this is why we gotta paint. Cause why it say Lala 2019? All right. That's how tall you was last year, boo. I'm gonna see how tall you are now. 37. Okay, he wanted to show y'all that. They got the little game at Walgreens. I wanted to show you guys what I did to our bedroom doors. I just used the same wallpaper that I used in the bathroom. So hubby messed this part up when he was putting the doors back on. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna order some more wallpaper and I'm going to just redo this one over. Overall, this is how it's looking, yeah. I like it. It's just, to me, the paint is throwing it on. Go ahead, go lay down. So yeah, that's how the closet is looking. Okay, yeah, I'm on my way to the store because we are trying to make our very own KFC bowls. If you guys don't know what that is, it's mashed potatoes, corn, cheese, the chicken, like boneless chicken or whatever, popcorn chicken, gravy. So I'm on the way to the store to get some items that I don't have. And I was trying to sneak into the Dollar Tree, y'all. I don't know if I'm having enough time because I have my potatoes on already. So yeah, really quick, what I got from the grocery store. Like I told you guys, we are making our own KFC bowls. So I'm done with the mash right here. Right here, the mashed potatoes. Got back home just in time for that. But I picked up some bell peppers, some mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Got 2 bags of those because I'm going to be using this in a KFC bowl. We got some eggs. I believe it's 18 of those. Some flour, a cherry Pepsi, some chocolate milk, Seagram's, a half a gallon milk. Pick me up a pickle, ranch because my son loves ranch, some sour cream. This is also what we need for our KFC bowls. I picked up some gravy. I know we should do our homemade gravy, but hey, this is already made. I picked up some bananas, picked up the kids some fruit snacks. I got 2 boxes of those. I picked up some butter, and I also picked up some Twix cookie and cream. Twix bar, ice cream bars. I picked up some, what do you call these things, you guys? English muffins, because I like to fry my eggs and put some cheese on it with this. And I'm also toast this, y'all. Then I picked up some regular bread. Then I also, this is the meat that we're gonna chop up for the KFC bowl, chicken breast fillets. So this is what I got from the grocery store right here. So I'll be back on when we make these KFC bowls. I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Come on, look, every shirt is shaped like this.
So yeah, this is the girls' old rug. Yeah, so here's the new rug right here. Currently, I'm not good with size because this only can go on one side of the room. Yep. So what I'm going to do, y'all, is stop. I'm going to order the lid one too. So okay, you guys, here is hubby's right here. He wanted his meat to be soaked in gravy, so now I'm about to make mine. Okay, you guys, so here's my bowl. I am about to enjoy this, and I'll catch y'all in the next clip.